the adventure over already?
No, the adventure hasn't even started yet.
Oh, well, don't be a narc.
I guess I'll give...
Sure why you never visit them.
You should throw up. Free beach party.
Good boy.
Oh, that could be fun.
Plus, there are some fun NPCs out there that none of you have even interacted with yet.
I'm guessing they're not intelligent ones.
They most certainly are not. Now, go have fun.
Wow, what a good day!
Alright, so who wants to try Kane's magical changing move first?
I guess I'll give it a go?
Wow, you look mediocre. You ever need a sunburn? Give me a call.
I don't want a sunburn.
Should have thought of that before I decided I hate you. Yeah, don't interact with the sun. She's just like that.
Gangle, wait.
I'll get it.
Hey there.
What? Even want your treasure chest?
That was my entire life savings, dude. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god, I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna be sick. That was everything. Oh my god.
Did you find it?
Nah, somebody plundered it before I...
What the heck?
What? What? Oh, wait, you're right.
Good thing I don't have any problems, then.
Hello there! How's the shrimp NPC?
You're welcome.
My coworkers.
Oh no, I think it's kind of strange. Mabel isn't anything, but we need to keep it quiet so Kane doesn't stop us.
Yeah, but
All right. You made me... You got in my head. You... Pardon me.
Come on, guys. You know I'm just here to have fun. Questioning's over. Your prize is this lovely gift basket of soaps and lotion. Stay pregnant. Have a good night. Fragrant night. Bye.